Kids Buzz TV.
Leo the inquisitive truck, curious and upbeat. In his truck bed he brings many colored parts. Leo the inquisitive truck, he has come again to help us. With his help, now we can build a brand new car. Leo, Leo, Leo the truck. It's very warm outside today. The robots and forklift Lifty are playing ball. Tasty cold ice cream waits at Scoop's home. Hi, Scoop the excavator. Are you going to play too? Bounce the ball. Oh no! It's hot in the house. The ice cream is melting. Robot, are you tired? Get up. Time to go home. You can't play outside for so long in the open sun. Yes, Robot. If you don't put ice cream in the fridge, it melts. Scoop, someone came to visit you. This is Leo the truck. Leo brought parts for the refrigerator. A green box. Evaporator coils. White inner walls. 3 shelves. A light bulb to see what's inside. A drawer for fruits and veggies. Doors. Handles. Another handle for the door. And a condenser coil. Robot, check. The light bulb is on. Leo, look. There should be a compressor to compress the gas. Leo goes home to look for the compressor. Here are his spare parts. Which is the compressor? Those are drone screws. We don't need them. A wheel. We don't need it. There's the compressor. Quick! The refrigerator is already in the house. Lifty carries treats. Install the missing part. Everything works. Let's put the fruit below and the ice cream in the freezer. Then the products won't spoil for a long time. Hey, let's play ball. The ice cream will wait. Look! Leo, Lifty, and Scoop are hiding behind some rectangles. They are going to watch some new cartoons. And you? Choose quickly. Click on the rectangles. Quickly, before they disappear.